Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use yoga blocks for stretching. Yoga blocks are fantastic tools that can significantly improve your flexibility and comfort. They offer crucial support, allowing you to deepen stretches safely and effectively. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, incorporating blocks can help you achieve better alignment and extend your reach. We'll explore how these simple props, often measuring 9 by 6 by 4 inches, can transform your stretching routine. For seated stretches, blocks are incredibly versatile. Placing a block under your hips in a forward fold, for example, can elevate your pelvis, making it much easier to lengthen your hamstrings. This small adjustment can prevent rounding in your lower back. You can also use blocks to support your hands in seated twists, providing a stable base and allowing you to focus on the rotation. They truly enhance comfort and depth. When it comes to standing stretches, blocks are invaluable for extending your reach and maintaining form. In triangle pose, placing a block under your bottom hand brings the floor closer, helping you keep a long, open chest. For standing forward folds, 2 blocks can support your hands, reducing strain on your hamstrings and lower back. They also provide excellent stability for balancing poses, giving you confidence and support. Finally, blocks are wonderful for deepening backbends and enhancing restorative poses. In supported bridge pose, placing a block under your sacrum provides a gentle lift, allowing your spine to release and your chest to open. For a more expansive heart opener, position a block under your upper back. These simple adjustments offer incredible comfort and support, enabling you to relax more fully and hold poses for several minutes, promoting deeper release.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.